Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include bucket seats, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.